OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. Let's take a look at how we can save time by using the OneCNC Deburr machining operation. To do that, head over to the Command Manager, select Model Toolpaths, and then from there, select Deburr. The first thing to do is to define the tool parameters. I'm using a 1/4 inch diameter ball end mill. Let's click Next on that. Our clearances look great. I'm using 200 thousandths as a safety retract plane. Let's click Next on that. For the deburr amount, I'm going to use 20 thousandths. We'll click Next. And by using Extensbox, OneCNC is going to deburr all the accessible sharp edges. Very good. So let's click Finished and let OneCNC generate the toolpath. Why don't we quickly take this into simulation? I'm going to right-hand mouse click on the toolpath group, select Simulate Rest. We're going to use the solid model I created earlier for the stock, and then we'll click OK. And now you can see OneCNC is using that ball end mill to successfully deburr all the accessible sharp edges. OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.